How to fix WeChat verification code not received. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if you're not getting your WeChat verification code whether you're trying to log in or sign up. So do not worry, this video will walk you through some solutions that may help you fix your problem. First step is to check your phone number format. Make sure that you have entered the correct phone number with the right country code. So check your number along with your country code. If that's not your case, then you have to be patient. Sometimes WeChat servers get slow, so in that case you have to wait for a few minutes or a few seconds before tapping the resend code option. But if still that does not help you, if you are using a VPN or any other parallel application, make sure to turn those off. WeChat may block suspicious or automated behavior, so if you have a VPN connected, you can turn off your VPN and try to request for the code again, and you may get the verification code. If that still does not help you, then you have to clear cache or reinstall the application. So for that, head over to your WeChat application, tap and hold on it, tap on app info. Once you land on here, tap on storage and cache, and from here tap on clear cache. Once you do that, go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to use a different phone or SIM. If the code still does not arrive, try to put your SIM in a different phone and request for the code again. Sometimes there might be a device issue, and that may help you solve your problem. If nothing works out for you, then contact the WeChat support. You can directly send email to the support@wechat.com, including your issues, your phone number, reason, and time you tried to get the code. After that, WeChat may get you back with a response to help you solve your problem. So these are some of the steps or solutions that will help your WeChat code get delivered. And if this video was helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so that you never miss another tutorial again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.